I've been slowly working on my bathroom. I was sent this. I wanted to do an unboxing so you could see that how great it's packaged. I was just opening it up and thought, this is something I should share. But let me just show you. This is from Amazon, and you don't expect the packaging to be great from Amazon, or I typically don't. So this is something that I was very impressed with. This is a huge sheet of styrofoam here to start with. Everything is plasticed up and neatly in here, safe and secure. Let me just show you the parts in case that matters to you. I thought the lights were pretty, and that's why I got it. These are each packaged in bubble wrap. All of the pieces are in bubble wrap. There are 8 of these, and these are very nice, thick quality. This is the only thing that didn't come in the bubble wrap. This is that non-smooth cast iron type material. It's not slick. It's got the very tiny little bubbles. You can hear that it's metal. These are smaller than my hand. Fairly heavy, good quality, quite lovely. I assume it goes like this. I actually don't know. My husband's gonna assemble this. I'm just showing you what's in the box. I have no idea what's going on here. But that is very pretty and exactly what I wanted. We've got these things, no idea what these do, and electrical stuff. Everything you need. I assume everything you're gonna need is in the box. I do not see instructions, so be sure and have some knowledge of what's going on. And I wanted to show you that this was custom molded so that everything comes safe and secure. That's like something you would get at Lowe's. If you had any doubt whether or not this would come safe and secure, if you'd have to return it because something got broken, rest assured this thing is protected as much as anything I've ever seen come protected from Amazon. I'll have this linked for you in the description. You can just click right down there, it'll open right into Amazon. I earn a few cents if you buy through my link. If you're buying these lights or you're remodeling a room, I'd love to hear what room you're remodeling. And if you're interested to see what happens to my bathroom after we're all the way done, subscribe so you can see. And you know what? Just subscribe. I'm almost to 100 subscribers, and I need you to subscribe so I can get there. I'll see you in the next random review video I do.